Hello, today we are going to learn how to make a very inexpensive, easy 10-minute project with the dollar store items. I found these two bandanas for $1 in a dollar store. And I also found a pillow in Walmart for $2.97. Then I thought I can put all these together and make a nice decorative pillow for about $3 because I don't need the whole pillow. I can buy two pillows and make three of these. So in that way it is each is costing about $3, but it's a nice size, big, beautiful decorative pillow. So I clip all around, put the bandanas like right side together and clip all around. So this is like you can use the same color bandanas or a different color contrast colors. I got these two as a set in as one set in dollar store. So if you want to have the same color on both sides, buy two of them and put them together. I think you can find two together same color also sometimes. It is dollar store items are always not the same. Sometimes you get a different items. So when I saw this, I immediately picked it. Like I wanted to try this and see if it works. Like I can make some more. So I have a lot of ideas about with these bandanas. I can show you one after the other. There are a lot of dollar store items. We can make several different things. So I clipped all the four corners, and now you should never start sewing for when you are sewing a rectangular or a square pieces together. Never, when especially that has something like to filling, never start in one corner. I mark like with my clips, wonder clips. I mark like a 4 to 5 inches area with the in the middle of one side. See, that's what I'm showing. That is used to that opening. I keep it open. I sew all around and keep that part open to put the filling inside and flip that pillow inside out too. We are sewing on the wrong side, so to take the right side out, you need some opening at some area. So that's never take it in a corner. Take it in the middle of one side. So when you start sewing, always back stitch, which helps. Like otherwise, when you're filling, the stitches will come out. When you come to the corner, I press the button. That button makes my needle go down. That way, like I can lift the foot up and turn it around without moving the fabric. So always do that, so that way the corners will come clean and neat. And then once you finished, reach the other end of that 4-5 inch gap, like opening, other side of the opening, like you need to backstitch again. Always never forget that, otherwise when you're filling, the stitches come out. I take the inside right side out. When you're doing that, make sure the corners open up all the way. So you can use once you open it, like take the right side out, you can use a chopstick to push the corners in there, so that way the corners fabric don't look ugly. Like it is, when you push it out, it's all the way out and it gives a good look. So that's it. Like then once that is done, take it back where you can iron it if you want to. That way the stitches can come out like neatly. Or if you think like this has a lot of polyester mix in there, so I thought it is not really necessary ironing, but ironing always makes it look better. If you are doing a cotton one, you definitely have to iron. And I opened the pillow out and took it out the filling from inside, and took out the filling in from inside, and put it in the uh, pillow I made, stuffed in there. But you don't need the whole pillow. With two of them, as I told you before, we can make 3 pillows. So if you think you're comfortable sewing after the pillow, the stuffing, it's stuffed, pillow is stuffed all the way, you just don't have to take out like this. You can take a big chunk of it and shove it so that if the open is big, if you keep the one whole side open. But I made a small opening, and I'm taking a little at a time and filling it. If you can fill like all of it at the same, like cut where you want that pillow and put it inside neatly, and then sew the whole side neatly. That is, if you feel that way it is easier for you, you can do that. But for me, I want to sew only the small area, like once the filling is put like inside, it is hard to sew the if it is whole side is open. It's a little bit 4 to 5 inches. It is easier to, makes my life easier to close it. So the whole one side is open, its closing is little hard work. So you can close it with invisible, if you know invisible sewing, like closing stitch with hand, you can do that, or you can just hem finely with the thread there, or you can use it on the sewing machine. I chose the option here to do with sewing machine, which is not easy either. It's with all that stuffing in there, it's hard to put it together and sew. But always backstitch when you're starting, again closing, and pin first, so it won't separate. While sewing, it won't go here and there. So pin first, and then at the starting point backstitch and sew it. Continue at the end, again you backstitch, so the stitches won't come out. And whichever way is comfortable for you, do it. I chose to do it over the sewing machine. Look at the pillow is ready, but I see little lumps here and there because when I was sewing, like I was pushing the filling. Now again I beat it up a little bit so the filling is spread evenly, and it looks so beautiful. This bandana printing is very nice print, and the colors also nice colors and print, and so the pillow looks really beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe. I'll be posting more projects like this. I chose to post most of the easy ones so people can do it quickly and easily. You don't have to know a whole lot of sewing. If you subscribe and hit the bell icon, whenever I post a new video, you will know that it will notify you. And thank you for watching. Please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.